Welcome to a game changer in home cleaning, the Shark VS100 MessMaster Portable Wet-Dry Vacuum. This compact powerhouse is designed to tackle life's toughest wet and dry messes, from kitchen catastrophes to pet pandemonium, kid chaos, and DIY disasters. The Shark VS100 stands out with its self-cleaning convenience, a feature that lets you rinse and ready your vac in seconds. Just vacuum up a cup of water, clean out the hose and dust bin, and you're good to go. This is truly a game changer when it comes to maintaining your vacuum. One of the unique selling points of this vacuum is its no loss of suction technology. This means you can power through even the toughest messes without worrying about reduced suction. It's the only wet/dry vacuum with this technology, according to the manufacturer. The Shark VS100 also boasts any bag technology, allowing you to line the bin with any plastic bag 2 to 13 gallon and vacuum straight into it for easy disposal. And with its True Grip accessory suite, you'll find exclusively designed accessories optimized for different types of messes around your home. Maintaining this vacuum is a breeze. The dishwasher-safe dustbin allows for a deep clean whenever you need to start fresh. The decentralized filter avoids heavy buildup from debris, ensuring that you won't rapidly lose performance as you clean tough messes. Weighing just 9.8 pounds and featuring an extra-long cord and hose, the Shark VS100 is easy to grab and go, and offers long-reaching maneuverability to access more messes around your home. Included in the package are the MessMaster vacuum, a squeegee tool, and a crevice tool. Real users love this vacuum. One customer shared that they bought it for use in their semi and found it to have great suction, cleaning up dog hair and dirt on the floor of their truck effectively. Another user praised the suction, suggesting only a longer hose as a potential improvement. With a 4.4 rating based on 24 reviews, the Shark VS100 is a highly rated choice among customers. It ranks number 337 in Amazon Renewed, number 21 in Renewed Home and Kitchen, and number 55 in Shop Wet-Dry Vacuums. Before you dive into cleaning those tough messes, remember this vacuum is designed for indoor use only. And while it's portable, ensure you have enough space to store it when not in use due to its dimensions of 10.5 by 16, 5 by 13. 5 inches. So, if you're ready to take on life's messes with ease and convenience, the Shark VS100 MessMaster Portable Wet-Dry Vacuum is your perfect companion. Embrace a cleaner, more organized home today.